So friends, here we have some boiled and shredded chicken. I've taken about 125 grams, boiled it, and when it cools down, I have shredded it. Then we require some slices of cucumber, some shredded lettuce, some slices of tomatoes, some bread slices, some cheese slices. Now in the bread, you can use white or brown. Then we require some salt, some butter, some mayonnaise, and some pepper powder. So in a large bowl, I am taking the boiled and shredded chicken. To this, I am going to be adding some mayonnaise. So I'm going to be adding some 5 to 6 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use either the eggless one or the one with the egg, depending on what you like. Then we're going to add some seasoning. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt for taste. Give all of this a very good mix till everything is well incorporated together. And now we're going to add about 1 cup of lettuce, which I've shredded. Now you can use either the romaine lettuce leaves or the iceberg lettuce leaves. It's up to you what you like and regularly use in your salads and sandwiches. So put in some lettuce, which you've got to shred. Mix all of this extremely well. Now you have to heat up a pan. Now if you have this type of a grilled pan, it really gives a very good effect and the sandwich really looks very presentable and delicious. So just butter the bread on one side. Now, like I said, you can use brown bread, you can use whole wheat bread, you can use white bread, whatever you like, and just butter it up on one side. And see that your grilled pan or your regular pan is nice and hot on a low to medium flame. And then we're just going to place the pieces of bread till they have a nice grilled effect on both sides. Now we're going to start assembling our sandwiches. Now for each sandwich, we're going to use 3 of these grilled breads. So take your 3 slices of grilled bread. Now to one of the slices, which is going to be the base, we're going to add this chicken paste which we have prepared, or this chicken mix, that is lettuce, chicken, mayo, salt and pepper. We're going to evenly apply this to the first slice of grilled bread. See that it gets evenly spread to all over the bread. Then we're going to cover it with one of the slices of the bread. Then we're going to place about 4 pieces or 4 slices of cucumber, 2 slices of tomato. Now, if you don't like tomato, you can drop the tomato. Just use the cucumber. Then we're going to put 1 slice of cheese. You can use any type of cheese that you like, and then place the third one. And then we're just going to cut it into 2 halves, and your club sandwich is all ready. So in this way, I've prepared 4 sandwiches out of 6 slices of bread, and it is simply delicious. So you can have this as for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner, you can pack it up in your tiffin box, give it to your kids to school. It is really very, very easy to make and so delicious. So I hope you liked this recipe of chicken club sandwich. I hope you give it a try, and if you did like this recipe, then don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up. For those of you who haven't yet subscribed to Akshata's Recipes, please hit the red button and become a part of Akshata's Recipes family. Once you have subscribed, click on the golden bell that you see below the video so that every time I put up a new recipe or a vlog, you will get a message for the same. So you won't miss out anything that's happening on Akshata's Recipes. And visit Akshata's Recipes. I have more than 200 recipes on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. See you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye-bye.